We are pleased to share these two new audio ceiling tile kits for our US and Canada markets.
With a 2x2 ceiling speaker and an Axis C8210 network audio amplifier, this pre-assembled kit combines crisp network audio and quick and easy installation into a drop ceiling, so it makes for a solution that's reliable, cost-effective, and discreet.
Available in two formats, including a camera-ready version with one gang and 4 square box devices for mounting a fixed dome or a panoramic network camera, in addition to other devices like a strobe siren for notifications. Plus, you have the ability to extend your solution even further with a trigger event response, camera and analytic integration, and efficient audio management thanks to our built-in Axis Audio Manager Edge.
Our new audio ceiling tile kits provide the audio capabilities you love, the convenience you need to keep your system running smoothly.